Hi, in this video I will share with you uh, some of the possibility that macro can do. Now, it is possible to select this list here and then click on the file and then choose it should be deck selections and then print it as a PDF. So yeah, I highlight that. Maybe you can just go there and say export, print as PDF. Or it works that way. Let's see. Okay, let's just put down there, right? So that's PDF. Let's see if it works there. No, that's not right. So that's not working. Well, seems like this selection is not working, right? But no problem, right? This is just manually done. Now let's watch this, yeah. So suppose I put my point here and then I just click print. Now notice that it just printed out that particular worksheet is just printed out, right? It's just that I need to adjust the size. Okay, so click on this is highlighted right there. If I click on this here, click print, this doesn't work. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's because let's just end it. Yeah, let's go over here and choose this button here, close it, close all the tab. Let's come back here again, right? Because the file name is now named as the same. So click print again, right? We have this. Close the current one. Let's come back here, click print. Okay, so it's just right there. So I have changed the code a bit, right? Because I want to know where is the begin point and where's the end point. So I put a B, I put an E, and then I use the code to actually search, right? To search where's the first begin point, where's the first end point. So that's the idea, right? So I'm recording this to yeah, to find out how to record this as a possibility. Yeah, what do you think, right? Powerful. Thank you. This is just a, like I said, this is a demo how to use it, right? If you want to know the code, do purchase my course. I will record this, share you the code. Yeah. So help me to help you, right? Kita jaga kita.